Welcome back everybody. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this beautiful green from shellac called Palm Deco. If you haven't seen my first nail video, I'm going to put the link below, but basically I'm removing my old Hollywood shellac that I had. It was my first time. I think they lasted about 3 weeks or so, which I was quite happy about. So first thing first, you need to remove the top layer of your nail plate, making sure you don't go too deep. If you feel some type of heat, you are definitely too far. So go easy and slightly remove that top layer without causing any damage at all to your nails. Once I was done with that, what I did was grab a little cup with my remover, pour it inside. I also got these silicone caps and cotton pads. As you can see, I've cut the pads in 4 to make it easier for me. All I do is dip it in, put it inside and put the little silicone on top of it. Too sure if I like those silicone caps. They kind of slide down a little when it's wet. If you recommend any better ones, please let me know. I am going to change it for sure. I am now all done, so I'm going to let that sit on my nails for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just before removing those silicone caps, what I did was slightly press on the nail to make sure that everything was coming off, and then I grabbed my cuticle pusher and gently remove any excess that was left on my nail. I am quite happy to see how healthy my natural nails are at the moment. They are slowly going back to normal since my last chemotherapy, so I'm quite proud of that. Right now I'm just doing a little trim. They was getting a little bit too long. I like them long but not too long, so I'm just cutting them slightly. Going to my right hand now, I am doing pretty much exactly the same thing. The only thing is, I think on the first video I must have put too much gel, so it was quite thick, so I had a hard time to remove it, so I decided to use my nails and it was quite good. It came off quite easily. Right now, all I'm doing is just giving a little shape to my natural nails and also making sure that I remove any remaining on my nail plate, because this is not going to help in terms of applying the next one in. So you need to make sure that you remove everything from your nails. After pushing my cuticles back just a little bit, I decided to go for a green. After thoroughly washing my hands, I went ahead and applied some alcohol. It has to be, from what I've read, at least 70 to 90%. So I went ahead and did that, making sure that every single nail plate was nice and clean. This is a step that has completely changed my life. This product is amazing. It's the pH Bond by Gelish. It's supposed to dehydrate your nails and make sure that your base coat stick to your nails and last longer. The consistency is a bit like water, but it dries literally in 2 seconds. Right, now that I have done all my prep, I can now apply my base coat. I'm gonna try to zoom a little bit. So I start with the index, it's a little bit easier. Going towards the left, making sure I don't touch any of my cuticles because otherwise it's not going to stay. And then also I make sure I touch the end of it, which is a thing called edge cap. Just making sure everything is nice and neat, and I'm gonna cure for 2 minutes. I am now ready to apply my gel. I think the mistake I made on my last video was that I've applied a little bit too thick, so at the end it looked a little bit too bulky towards the end of the nail. So now I'm gonna make sure that I do it really thinly going across the nail, then to the side, making sure I don't touch the cuticle on the side. If I make any mistake, I always have a little pen that I can use, that I just dip into the remover and then just clear it off. I'm already in love with this color. Oh my god, look at the shine, look at how it's so smooth. I love it already. Any little mistake that I make, I grab my little pen, dip it into the remover, and then slightly clean it off. And I always finish with my thumb. I don't know why, it's just easier that way. Oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love this color. I have cured for 2 minutes. I am now going back to do my second layer, making sure this time I only do a thin layer only. Now I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to free cap again. I did it on a few of them. I don't know, what do you think? Am I supposed to do that? I did it on the last two. I will see how long it's going to last, but yeah, I love this color. Oh my god. We are nearly there now. All I have left to do is to do my top coat. So it is pretty easy. But the most important part, you want to make sure that this gel is not gonna go anywhere for the next 2 weeks. So you need to make sure you cover your nail plate entirely from top to left to side, everywhere. As usual, I'm gonna get my pen, making sure that I haven't touched any of my cuticles at all, and then I can cure it. If I do it after, it will be too late. So I want to make sure that my nails are completely nice and neat. I have cured for 2 minutes, and then this is what it looks like. I think I have quite improved from my last video. What do you think? Which one do you prefer, the green or the red? Don't forget to apply your cuticle oil and massage it really well. And I guess I'm gonna show you the final result. So what do you think? Do you prefer the green or the red? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.